Alright, so we had a bit of a camera issue the beginning part of the video. The wind doesn't get to the microphone. It's pretty windy out now, the second day. But what we ended up having to do, because I didn't get this part in the video, or didn't record, is we had to take the jack plate in the motor, split it in half, and shove the plate in it. But we also had to replace two of the bolts. They snapped, but it wasn't too bad. Literally all we had to do was loosen them all up, and we'd loosen one more up than the other and slip the plate in here and then shove the bolt through, and that's it. We got both plates on. You got the actual plate for the Powerpole here, and then they give you a shim plate that goes in between your jack plate and motor, which is installed. We broke a couple bolts, so gotta go to the hardware store, get some more. Big problem with stainless, with it just seizing, so we'll keep plowing away on this. Gotta get the pump installed still, gotta wire everything up. Stay tuned. Powerpole's mounted, got to run the hydraulic lines now, got to put the pump on, do all the switches still quite a bit of work left to go, but pretty much could probably start using it after everything's done, so stay tuned, get all that stuff on as well. So what we got to do is take the pump and run it from this compartment all the way back to the Powerpole. So run it from here through this, out that way to the Powerpole. So see if we can get this done today. Fun part of running wires in this boat. This is a 482 Ranger, and they made it pretty difficult to actually run the wires, but I've seen definitely a lot worse. So wires are ran, get all this taken care of, hook it up, and then run the wires up to the switch up front. We're pretty much done, ready to go. Powerpole just got finished installed, so got this guy on here now. Works pretty sweet. A little noisier than I thought when it goes up though, but that's alright. So we installed a switch over here, and I put a switch on the front deck. I just gotta clean up, but wasn't too bad. Had to snake all the wires and everything throughout the boat, but we had a few camera issues with the cameras turning off. It's pretty hot outside right now. It's probably in the high 80s, low 90s. So cameras weren't liking it too much, but wasn't too bad. The hydraulic lines weren't bad. We had to place some of the fittings, the compression fittings, but overall 500 bucks. It's not a bad deal. I'll take it, but I had to fix a couple things. So stay tuned, guys. Sorry, didn't get quite a bit of the footage, but it is what it is. So thanks guys for watching. Share, like, subscribe.